This is my Join new head unit. I got it today. It's making really weird sound when it is switched on. Probably you'll be able to hear it now within a couple of minutes. I'm gonna switch on the radio now. Here you go. Did you hear the sound? It starts with a kind of bumping sound which is very loud. So I'm gonna go from the radio and going to show you how it works with the Spotify. So, did you hear the sound? So I'm gonna play this one, play a song now. Okay, you might be able to hear it, right? You see, it's very loud. I don't know what it is causing. Alright, if I'm gonna try to play the next song, again it will make that sound. I'm gonna reduce this volume so you're able to hear the loud sound properly. Okay, here you go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it didn't come with. And if you go back to the radio, again it will pop it out. Okay, and if you go to again Spotify, that is very annoying. It's very loud and annoying. What else I can show you? If I go to equalizer also, I think it should give me the same noise. No, it's not. Lucky. Alright, can you please help me with this sound, because it is very annoying and it's very loud. I think it might break my amp as well. Thank you. Again, I'm gonna show you one more round.